Garden Convention Center in Mattancherry, Kochi, Kerala is one of the collateral exhibition spaces for the 6th edition of the KOCHI-MUZIRIS Biennale, KMB6. Garden Convention Center shows hosts part of the Edam Exhibition, a parallel program to the main Biennale featuring artists from Kerala, who explore intergenerational practice, local traditions, and contributory artistic responses. Edam, curated by Aishwarya Suresh, textile-based artist and educator, and K. Madhusudhanan, interdisciplinary artist and filmmaker, brings together 36 Kerala-based artists and collectives, highlighting regional creative practices.